Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's trade ideas and signal. So we'll be picking from where we left yesterday, and we first try to see what our analysis was able to provide for us yesterday, then try to see what we can capitalize on today. From this particular level here yesterday, it might kind of give us a reaction in the market. The mistake we can say that we make here on this particular level, because I really don't want to be going again to my started yesterday. I'm looking for capitalizing on trades that are going against our trade. This could go against my trade. If I see any potential point of interest, I could just easily take a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 trade from the level. And this actually validates the hypothesis that I have in mind. So subsequently, in the nearest future, in the nearest future, at least for now, let's concentrate on following our trade. So this is what's played out yesterday, and initially markets did come, picked the 50% of it, and it uses that to. So since this is a long-term trade, it's a very good long-term trade, and we're already in profit. We're already in profit from this market. We have this level here, but as you can see, this particular level was unable to close below this level. Maybe the market closed below this level now, would have been able to kind of be thinking on sells in the market. But I'll still be stick that we are in. So I will still be my trade. And yesterday shows what he's willing to do. So from what we have here, let's just check daily and try to see if we're going to continue. Okay, as we can see, it's giving us a kind of good reaction from what we have here, and good reaction. And it was even today that tapped in. So this still remain our daily, today's trade. Still remain our today's trade. So potentially we can hit TP. So the only thing we're going to be doing today is following through. If you're watching the video later, try and see what London session will bring for us. And after that, when I'll be adding to the link closed above, then that will signal my buy. But at least for now, I will only be sticking with this particular trade. So if we're going to be having any buy, any potential buy, I'll be looking at this level to be closed above. So without much something, okay, you can see this level. This is a potential other block. So we can be anticipating that and expecting this level to be closed above. Then once it's closed, then we can find a way of capitalizing on it and try to, if you didn't set this order yesterday, you can wait till this level is being validated, then you can continue to look for buys. But at least for now, trade. So just let us be following through. If any update is needed during New York, I guess I need to do that. So just the trade that was set, but it was even this today's open that the market got tapped. Try to see. It's nothing much to analyze. The only trade what we see in the markets, nothing much. Okay, so I saw this level yesterday. Even though I talked about this particular internal structure, I claim on that block. Even though if we set order here, it wouldn't have been tapped that yesterday, which is an indication that I'm still expecting back. But for the fact that this reclaim order block wasn't tapped and our internal structure wasn't tapped, kind of the nearest future. But I talked about this particular level that we picked yesterday, that it was too clean that we can be anticipating a deep reaction from the level, and that the market has been spending more than 12 hours and that the level was supposed to hold for based on the manipulation that is happening in the market. It's got invalid. This is a very big order block here. This particular level that we have here is a very big order block in the market. So all this level, all from here to this zone here, is is another block. If we are going to have any valid level from this, kind of thinking this one, I still believe in the bias because this is my weak eye. My own something is following my methodology, and that's my own. So if we look at this level, on daily, we see that it's matched with an imbalance. We have a liquidity void here, and this liquidity void can. This level that I marked here is our order block on daily. I mean on 4 hour, but it's a very big order base. So, but if I thought we are going to be picking a level, I'll be anticipating this level here, and that would be my risk. Well, the kind of retracements that we are having, a very, very deep retracement, and the movement is very, very strong. So it's kind of indicating that, okay, anything can happen in the market, Vasa fully. And if we are going to pull a level on daily, what can we see? Before I can start looking for sell until my strong low, the minor sell from within this level. For the fact that this particular zone here wasn't properly tapped, be coming there. And I'd rather let my trade stick to my buy, even though I kind of have the mind of shift. The business is not yet fully done on the left side of this market, this particular leg, because he spent how many days before it created this particular leg? They have 6, 7. She uses 7 days to create this high, and this level got invalidated, and we are within this big range of that block, picking the zone because we have a lot of reaction from here. And if I thought I'm gonna try to see what we can capitalize on, so I will still be holding on to this particular level. It's a risk. So it's a risk. I'm willing to take the risk anyway. So for 1 hour. Okay. So so this will be my potential trade for long. I'm going to be taking that trade for long. And let's analyze for gold usually have a deeper retracement when it wants to move in one direction before it send price through. And the reclaim order block that is here, which we can still call the breaker block, didn't get tapped here, and it spent more than 12 hours within the zone. And anything can happen in the market. This level got, if this level got invalidated and closed below, and as you can see, except this leg closes below this particular place now. On 1 hour, we have this massive reactions, and we have 2 hours left for this particular level. I'm going to be risking it. Mind you, is a risk. It's a risk. Just be risking it, and that particular level there, I will still be taking it if I have an indication for this one. I'm trying to get the perfect. So trying to get the perfect 1 to 5. Okay, let's do 5. Okay, that's a perfect 1 to 5. I believe in the other here, and I want to see what reaction we're going to get from that level. So let's try to move to the horizon. We have this shift here. I have the MSS, and we can call it a major shift. Let's see. And after that major shift, what do we expect? We expect still happening within our big major. So we have structure was broken down, and here becomes our stronger. So, but we can't particularly say this is, can't pick this as our range because this particular leg did not give us, didn't give me props, was perfect, seems to be perfect. but I didn't trust it that much because this is good and it always have a deeper retracement into whatever zone I picked for it. So looking at that, see, 15 minutes, if I thought we're going to be having any, 1 hour, if we're going to be having, then this can be our mitigation block. And what are we having here? What are we having from this level? I didn't have any valid entry for sell from what I'm seeing here. I didn't have any valid entry for sell. So I'm just building onto my buy. Liquidity void that we have on daily. And normally, let's assume we have this liquidity void on euro. This place, under this particular candle is enough to send, like, to have a deeper retracement into wherever zone I picked for my own strategy. So I'll still be risking this particular level that I have here. And anything can happen. And as general rule of thumb, markets move from PDRS to PDRS. So this particular PDRS can send price into this zone that we have. We can be buying, we can be selling from that as well. But I'm expecting a valid let's see 1 hour. Okay, so if I thought we're going to be selling from this level, this is a very big range closely, and we try to see what we can have during New York. London, let's see what London will do, and whatever happens for me to do analysis pre New York, then I'm going to release another one. But for now, I'll be risking this particular level here and try to see have any reaction from here. And we're expecting market to still come back to this level to send the price down. So if I thought 1 to 2 from this particular level, then I'm going to just close it and try to watch what will happen within this zone. So that would be my projection for good today. So let's stick with that. We are not predicting, we are only reacting to whatever market does. And we are here to only react and use risk. Our edge is in our risk management and our statistical edge. So I'm a statistical game, which is numbers game. So you've got to heighten your risk management level so that you'll be able to capitalize and make we have. It's just a smaller percentage compared to having a deeper level of risk reward ratio. So that is that about that. Let's check here before I end the video. Okay, so we'll be sticking to wherever we are. So that'll be all for today, except I see reasons to come. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day and have a profitable day. Be blessed.